session, teacher taught you rooms at home. What teacher taught you? Rooms at home. We know at home we have different rooms. We have different. Which room we have? We have bedroom, we have kitchen, then bathroom, okay, and living room where the guests are sitting, okay, and one more room is dining room where we can eat our food. In this way, at home we have different room. One more time say, see, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, understood, and dining room. In this way, you see the video of this room at home. Okay. Now we will move to another subject. We are going to study about English subject. In English, teacher taught you read and write letter Y for yo-yo. Okay. Y for yo-yo. Now we will see how to write Y for yo-yo with the help of dots. Okay, let's start. See, slanting line, standing line. Okay, Y, slanting line, standing line. Y, red to blue, slanting line, red to blue, slanting line. Then standing line. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Now we will see how we can write this Y in our new format 4-line notebook. Okay. Okay. Open your new format 4-line notebook. Tell to mama to make like this format and give the dots. In this way we are going to write. See, with the help of dot, slanting line, standing line. One more time. Slanting line, standing line. Y. What we are making? Y. Red to blue, slanting line, red to blue, slanting line. One more standing line. In this way, you have to complete full page. Okay, students? Now we will see how to write another letter. Which letter? Read and write letter Z for 0. Which letter we are going to write? Z for 0. Z for 0. Now we will see how to write with the help of dots. See, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay? One more time. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. In this way we are going to write letter Z. Which letter? Z. Z for 0. Z for 0. Now we will see how to write in our new format 4-line notebook. Okay, students? Okay, open your new format book, make the format and give the dots and start writing. How we are going to write? Sleeping line, then slanting line, then one more sleeping line. Z for 0. Sleeping line on red line, sleeping line, then red to blue, slanting line, then sleeping line on blue line. In this way we are going to write Z for 0. Z for 0. In this way, with the help of dots, you have to complete full page. Okay, students? Now we will see what teacher taught you in maths. Okay, let's see. In maths, teacher taught you count and write number 10. Okay, count and write number 10. Which number? 10 number. Here some balls are there. Let's count how many balls. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many balls are there? 10 balls are there. Now we will see how to write number 10. Standing line, make 1, then circle, make 0. In this way we are going to write 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, 1, 0, 10. Now we will see how to write in our notebook, big box notebook. Let's see. Okay student, make like this format in your big box notebook, and how to write you will see here. Okay, see, standing line, make 1, then curve, make 0. In this way we make 1 0 10. We can write 1 0 10. 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Understood? In this way, with the help of these dots, you will complete full page 1 0 10. Okay students? Now we will see the counting, bits counting. What we are going to see? Bits counting. Okay? All are ready for that? See, teacher here drawn some bits. Okay? Now we will see how to count these bits. Okay? I will show you. Okay students, see here teacher have thread and some bits. We will count how many bits are there. Okay? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 then 7 then 8 9 and last 10. Okay student, in this way you can also make beads with the thread at home also, and you can count like this up to 30. Okay, up to 30 number or 20 number, whichever you like. Okay, you can make like this beads counting at home also. Okay, in this way, in this week we study so many things. So see the video again and again and make practice. Okay, do practice, more practice of writing letter and number and counting also. Okay students, so till then, bye bye.